is Shay, so I'm gonna try to make this video quick. This is what I spent in February, tracking my spending for couponing. And I wanted to get this video up sooner, but your girl was dragging her feet. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe, smash like button, support your girl. So what I am doing different is I'm just printing off a sheet. That way I can just kind of just write in. It's so sloppy. So that way I can just kind of track it as I do my hauls on the paper versus doing it digitally on the computer or whatever. I just find this to be a little easier for me. And so I finished with February, and I have one for March that I'm already in the process of tracking. So for February, I did pretty good. I'm going to give you my retail. I did start using coupons in February, so I do have a cost for printables. And we're going to add in tax. And we're going to add up all of what I got back from all of the various rebate apps. I have Ibotta, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox Dollars, ShopMium, Alexa, Walmart, Shopkick, Checkout 51, Tada, Brand Club, Fetch, Merryfield, Frisbee, and Flavor Wiki. Those are all of the ones. I didn't have any aisle offers or any manufacturer type offers at all for February. What else did I want to add? I didn't do a breakdown of the referrals, but I do get referrals from Ibotta, Swagbucks, My Points, and Inbox Dollars. I do get some, I think, from Shopkick, but I don't really have a way of tracking that. And I think that's the only one. And Brand Club, there's referrals for Brand Club as well. And so, and Merryfield, which I don't think I've gotten very many from Merryfield, to be honest. And so my retail for the month of February was $979.57. My coupons was $152. And my tax was $68.34. My coupon cost was $17.50. So it brought my out-of-pocket to $913.41. All right, that was my out-of-pocket. No denying that. No ifs, ands, or buts. No way around it. That was my out-of-pocket, $913.41. And then what we got back from the rebate apps, Ibotta was $318, Swagbucks was $204, My Points was $132, Inbox Dollars was $148, ShopMium was $93.28, Alexa was $90.28, Walmart Cash was $44.08, Shopkick was $35.26, Checkout 51 was $25.57, Tada was $39.04, Brand Club was $57.12, Fetch War was $32.15, Frisbee was $5, and last but not least was Flavor Wiki at $44.60. So the total in all I got back from rebate apps was $1,268.38. So we got back over $1,200 in rebate apps, you guys, which is why we use rebate apps, right? Like, if I didn't even add this up, like, how would I know? Like how would I know? Like that meme. How would you know? I wouldn't know. All right, I wouldn't know. When we subtract our cost, I made $354.97, which is really, really cool. Now, as far as my top apps for February, it was Ibotta, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and My Points. Those are my 4 top apps because Inbox and My Points was really close, 148 and 132. And so, yeah, so this was a pretty good month. And so, yeah, so I was happy about this. I wanted to try to make this video quick. I'm trying to make these videos quicker because, you know, I know that some people like watching these type of videos and some don't. What else did I want to add as far as tracking? That's it, you guys. I'm just going to print a blank one every month and just start tracking it on the paper because I just think it's easier for me. The other thing I want to mention really quick, the offer for, what was it for? It was for the sugar-free offer. It was the Mountain Dew. That one, I got that back today. And the other thing was with the Rockstar. I mentioned in my last video that some people had gotten them from Dollar Tree and it was working there, but I hadn't actually physically tried it. And so I did go to Dollar Tree. I had to get a funnel. But I did try it, okay? Now, only thing about Dollar Tree, I know a lot of people ain't gonna see this because you don't watch these videos or watch every video. But with the Rockstar, the thing about Dollar Tree is it's Dollar Tree, right? And so they're smaller. Like look how small these are. I was like, looking at them like, don't they look kind of small and slim? Yes, they're 12 ounces versus 16 ounces. I believe the other ones at Walmart are 16 ounces. So, yeah. I grabbed 2 of these. I paid $1.25 each. I paid $2.50? And got back $5 for the Rockstar offer. So, and I probably won't get them at Dollar Tree, but it is good to know that you can if you want to. That is an option for you. And I think I have like 36 more because you guys are just awesome and you keep using my link. Also, let me give a shout out to Not Straight because they was like basically check the terms and condition, which I don't think I ever do. For this particular promotion, it is good until the end of the year, like December 30th, and you can do it every other week. So I suppose you'll mark your calendar when you do it and just know that you can do it every other week. And so, yeah, I guess I could still do it every other week on top of the other ones that I do. And then big shout out to all of you guys that have been giving me your ideas and suggestions on how to donate all these Rockstars. I was thinking of high school, but deadass, there ain't no high school nowhere near me. I ain't even gonna lie. Like Josiah's school's behind us, but I'm not gonna take them there. But someone suggested like a police department, and I was like, oh, there's like literally a fire department right next to Josiah's school. So I could take them there. Someone said like a hospital. There's like a hospital right here. And one of my offer-up customers, she works at the hospital right here too. So I could even just stockpile them and give them all to her. But I'm just thinking of ideas of how to donate them because I don't want to. I'm not going to consume them like that. Not at the rate that I would be getting them. And so I don't want to make this video super long. If you made it to the end, I really, really appreciate it. I would appreciate it even more if you would like the video since you watched it till the end. And also let me see I don't think they have an energy drink emoji, do they? They probably have like a pop can emoji. So if you make it to the end, I'd like to see a pop can emoji. I will leave it there. You guys have an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.